Nothing is more frustrating than those tangled headsets that get tangled in your purse or in your pocket. To resolve that, I have developed an accessory. Here it is. You are going to see it's free for you to make, and it's very, very easy. As you can see from the back, it's a hotel card that I have cut to shape. So, how do you do that? You take a plastic card, can be a hotel card or anything similar, very thin, so that you can cut it to shape with a regular pair of scissors. Here is the shape. As you can see, it's very simple to cut, and over time you can even refine it to the shape, the width and the length that works the best for your pocket, purse, and the size of your headset. So let me show you how it works. First, I put it straight. I'm going to start with the plug side, and I am just going to roll it around until it's completely rolled into my accessory. There we go. I can tell you I have been using that for months now, and it's very, very successful. How do I get it out? Very easy again. You just unroll it the other way around. Takes about 10 seconds, which is far less than what it was taken before to untangle. And then you can put the accessory in your purse or pocket. It doesn't take any space, or even in your credit card holder, while during the day you are using your untangled headphone. Thank you for watching this video. I have many more how-tos on my YouTube channel. If you have any question, please ask your questions through the comment section below.